the next time you're at a massive sports bar, watching 50 screens perfectly synced to a live game, I want you to not look at the TVs.
Yeah, look for the hottest, loudest closet in the building.
Exactly. Because what's inside that closet is doing something your standard Wi-Fi network they could never dream of doing. Welcome to today's deep dive.
Thanks for having me. We are
Yeah.
going straight into that engine room today.
We really are. We're decoding the invisible hardware powering these massive multi-screen audio-visual setups. So, okay, let's unpack this. If you really want to understand how this works, you have to look at the enterprise gear that actually makes it happen.
Right, like the Vitec AVSRV-C1585.
Yeah, that one. It's a total staple on commercial distributor sites like HDTV Supply, which is a vendor with a 25-year history and over 10,000 positive reviews.
Looking at a specific piece of hardware like that, the Vitec AVSRV-C1585-08TB-US, it gives us this raw, unfiltered look at what it actually takes to push that much video. I mean, the physical specs alone tell a story.
Oh, sure.
It has a 2U form factor, meaning it takes up 2 standard horizontal slots in a server rack. And it features 8 disk slots, and it's running an 8 terabyte hardware RAID.
Okay, let's break down that RAID setup real quick, that redundant array of independent disks. It's kind of like an ultra-paranoid digital librarian.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
To picture the actual mechanism, just imagine a team of scribes writing the exact same book simultaneously. If one scribe's pen breaks, or in this case, if one hard drive physically dies, the others don't even pause.
Right, because the data is perfectly mirrored across the drives.
Exactly. It's storing these massive, heavy video files while simultaneously keeping perfectly synced backups. That way the video feed never stutters and it never drops a single frame.
And that simultaneous writing process is crucial. The key word in those specs is hardware RAID control.
Hardware, right?
Yeah, in a standard setup, the main processor has to manage all of those redundancies. But by offloading that massive data duplication job to a dedicated hardware controller, well, it takes the heavy processing burden completely off the main system CPU.
Making it much faster.
Oh, absolutely. You get pure, uninterrupted performance, which is non-negotiable when thousands of people are watching a live feed.
But wait, so if I buy this, I can't just plug my living room TV into it.
No, definitely not. This isn't standalone consumer gear. I mean, the documentation explicitly notes it requires specific companion modules.
Like the M80105, M7205, or M8365.
Exactly. Those modules act as transcoders and streamers. They take those massive, heavy video files from the server and translate them into a highly optimized format.
Oh, so it can be pushed across a local network without bottlenecking the whole system.
Right. This is strictly enterprise-grade infrastructure.
Which makes total sense when you look at the broader ecosystem on the HDTV Supply site. I mean, they aren't catering to casual consumers. Their catalog features these massive Wolfpack matrix switchers.
Those things are beasts.
They really are.
Yeah.
For anyone who hasn't worked with them, a matrix switcher is basically a giant digital traffic cop. It allows you to take multiple video inputs, say 10 different satellite boxes, and instantly route them to any combination of output screens.
Up to 150 TVs at once in some cases.
Which is insane.
It is. And they even have specific channels dedicated to government purchasing and federal contracts. There's actually a 5-star review on the site from a customer named William L. that really highlights this specialized ecosystem.
Oh, yeah. What did he say?
He praises the vendor for stocking, quote, hard-to-find AV products. It just proves this gear is the highly specialized, hidden backbone of commercial video networks.
So what does this all mean? Ultimately, the seamless, screen-filled environments you experience at sports bars, large venues, or even command centers, well, they don't just happen.
No, they rely entirely on this incredibly specialized industrial-grade hardware.
Exactly. Stuff like the Vitec AVSRV-C1585-08TB-US and those matrix switchers just running quietly in a hot, dark back room.
It's the invisible foundation of our visual world.
It really is. But here's a thought I want to leave you with. Scrolling through that same HDTV Supply catalog, you can see they're already selling 8K HDMI products.
Wow, 8K already.
Yeah. As video resolutions continue to explode, from 4K to 8K and beyond, the file sizes are just getting exponentially heavier. So how much larger, hotter, and more powerful will those invisible server racks and our synchronized digital scribes have to become just to keep up with our everyday visual appetite?